AZIMOM Fiber Optic Light features the world's most advanced LED fiber optic technology, can achieve flicker, voice control, color change and other functions, providing a more wonderful visual experience. More details. 1. The 28-key RF remote, not include batteries, controls RGBW lighting modes and adjusts brightness in multiple colors. 2. Premium and Grow PMMA optic fiber cable, bright great optical conductivity and flexible to easily design the shape what you need. 3. We will add car use plug to satisfy your needs whatever you install in car or not, and our shop always commit to giving our customers a good shopping experience. 4. Fiber optic light is controlled by cell phone, Android, iPhone, just download the app and turn on Bluetooth. Change color/mode/speed/brightness conveniently. Technical specification. Diameter of each fiber, 0.75 mm 0.03 in, plus 1 mm 0.04 in plus 1.5 mm 0.06 in end glow fiber optic cable. Length of each fiber cable, 13.1 feet 4 meters. LED chip, RGBW LED, Cree chip. Remote control mode music control, Twinkle, static color mix white, red, green, blue, yellow, ice blue, pink, jump 3, jump 7, fade 3, fade 7. Flash, breath. Light engine power, 20 watts. Input voltage, DC 12 V AC 86 265 volts. Control, RF 28-key remote, Bluetooth, app, music sync. Fiber working temperature, -58 degrees -167 degrees.